Honeybee, Genius Hour Project, Why Honeybees Are Important. Honeybees are the best pollinators in the world, and without them we would have really bad air and not a lot of oxygen. We would not have any fruits or vegetables, and we would lose most plants, and that would affect our food chains and the animals that eat plants. The honeybee is the world's most important pollinator of food crops. Honeybees pollinate a third of what we eat. If we didn't have them, the oxygen would be cut and there wouldn't be any pollination. Honeybees can help cure some diseases by stinging the patient. Some diseases are arthritis, tendonitis, and multiple others. We had to reach out to someone, and I decided to reach out to 80 farms, and these were my questions. How many species of honeybees do you guys raise? How long do your bees live? And is the gas you put the bees out with harmful to them? There's one main common species of honeybees. It's called Apis mellifera. Within that species are subspecies. Think of them like breeds of dogs. All dogs are the same species with different breeds. We usually try to keep a few subspecies within the genetics of our bees, mainly European and Italian honeybees. The queen bee lives longer than any other bee in the hive. She can live up to 3 years. And the gas we use on the bees is smoke, usually from dried grass. The bees smell smoke and think there's a forest fire, so they prepare to evacuate by filling their stomachs with honey. When bees have full stomachs of honey, they calm down, which makes them easier to work with. Since the fire never comes down, the bees never leave, so it's not harmful to them. It's like smelling smoke from a campfire. How honeybees make honey. Bees start making honey by visiting flowers. They collect a sugary juice called nectar from the blossom by sucking it out with their tongues. It's passed from bee to bee until it gradually turns into honey. Then the bees store it in a honeycomb cell, which are like tiny jars made of wax. Pollinators are strongly influenced ecological relationships, ecosystems, conservation, and stability. Genetics, variation in the plant community, floral diversity, specialization, and evolution. Bees play an important but little recognized role in the most territorial ecosystems where there is green vegetation cover for at least 3 to 4 months each year. These are some facts. The average honeybee can visit more than 2,000 flowers in one day. These bees greatly increase the chance of plants producing a fruit or vegetable. Approximately 80% of the insect crop pollinators is done by honeybees. Honeybees pollinate approximately 130 agricultural crops in the U.S., including fruit, fiber, nuts, and vegetable crops. Honeybees pollinate adds approximately $14 billion annually to improve crop yield and quality. Pollinators help plants survive, and plants produce 1/3 of our food supply by giving us countless fruits and vegetables and nuts. Provide 1/2 of the world's oils, fibers such as cotton used to make clothes and other raw materials. Are used to create many medicines, provide food and cover for wildlife, keep waterways clean, prevent soil erosion, produce the oxygen we breathe, absorb CO2, countering global climate change. We're excited. The end.